Welcome back. Today we're breaking down why so many people are stuck financially in their 30s and how to escape. You're earning more than ever, but your bank account doesn't show it. Or worse, you're deeper in debt. There are unique financial traps in your 30s that quietly sabotage your future while you're busy building a career or family. We'll reveal the hidden pressures and mistakes keeping you from real wealth, and more importantly, how to break free. This isn't about blame, it's about learning the rules so you can finally win. Stick around for a clear, actionable roadmap to take control of your money and build the future you want. Let's dive in. First up, lifestyle inflation, the sneakiest wealth killer. You get a raise and suddenly your apartment, car, and vacations all get upgrades. Your spending rises with your income, so you're still saving nothing. It feels like you should be ahead, but you're just treading water in a fancier pool. The key, it's not about how much you earn, it's what you keep. Every raise is an opportunity to widen the gap between earning and spending. When you get a raise, pause. Decide what percentage goes straight to savings or investments. Pay yourself first, automatically. Resist the urge to upgrade everything, and you'll finally start building wealth. That gap between income and expenses, that's where your future is built. Let's talk about debt, especially student loans and credit cards. For many, these debts eat up hundreds each month, money that could be building your future. The weight of debt limits your choices and keeps you stressed. You're not broke because you're lazy, you're carrying financial anchors. The solution? Get aggressive. List your debts from highest to lowest interest. Attack the highest interest debt first, the avalanche method, while making minimum payments on the rest. Every extra dollar goes to that top debt. It's tough, but freeing up that cash flow is the key to your financial future. Don't let debt dictate your life. Take control. Most of us never learned how money really works. We entered adulthood knowing how to earn, but not how to manage, save, or invest. So we make rookie mistakes, overspending, avoiding budgets, fearing investing. But it's not too late. Take your financial education into your own hands. There are endless resources, books, podcasts, YouTube channels, at your fingertips. Commit to learning one new money skill at a time. Even 30 minutes a week can change your financial trajectory. Don't expect to be great with money without learning the rules. Social media bombards you with everyone's highlight reels. Lavish trips, new cars, perfect homes. It's easy to feel like you need to keep up, but most of it's an illusion. You see the spending, not the debt or stress behind the scenes. Trying to look rich is the fastest way to stay broke. Every dollar spent to impress others is a dollar you can't use to build real wealth. The fix? Unfollow the comparison game. Curate your feed for inspiration, not envy. Follow people who talk about saving and investing, not just spending. Get clear on your own goals. When you know your why, it's easier to say no to the noise. Focus on your journey, not someone else's highlight reel. Living paycheck to paycheck with no emergency fund means every surprise becomes a crisis. Car repair, medical bill, rent hike. Without savings, you're forced into debt or desperate choices. An emergency fund is your financial seatbelt. It's not optional. Start with $1,000 as fast as possible. Then, build up to 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This isn't about investment returns, it's about peace of mind. With a buffer, you handle life's curveballs calmly, not in panic mode. Make this your first financial priority. The return is priceless, less stress, more control. Winging it with your money is like building a house with no blueprint. It's a mess. No budget means you have no idea where your money goes. No investment plan means your money isn't working for you. Procrastination and lack of clarity are the enemies of wealth. The fix? Get organized. Create a simple budget and track your spending. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investments. Know your retirement goals and contributions. A simple, consistent plan beats no plan every time. Take control, or your money will disappear. For many, money struggles are rooted in mindset, not math. Maybe you grew up seeing money as stressful or even evil. That baggage leads to avoidance, guilt, or self-sabotage. The solution? Face your numbers, even if it's scary. Talk openly about money with your partner. Reframe money as a tool, not a source of stress. Shift from fear and scarcity to abundance and control. Make peace with money so you can use it to build the life you want. Many in their 30s avoid investing. Too risky, too late, too complicated. But not investing is the real risk. Your savings lose value to inflation every year. Investing doesn't have to be complex. Open a Roth IRA, set up automatic contributions to a low-cost index fund. Even $100 a month can grow into 6 figures over time, thanks to compound interest. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Your 30s are the perfect time. Long time horizon, big impact. Don't let fear or confusion stop you. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best is now. Let your money work for you. Your social circle shapes your money habits. If your friends overspend, you'll feel pressure to do the same. Their habits become your baseline for normal. You don't have to ditch your friends, but expand your circle. Surround yourself, online or in real life, with people who are smart with money. Follow financial experts, join personal finance communities, listen to money podcasts. When saving and investing are normal in your environment, your habits will shift. Good influences make good habits easier. Let your circle lift you up, not hold you back. Here's your action plan to break free. Step 1. Track every dollar for 30 days. Use an app or notebook, find your leaks. Step 2. Build a $1,000 emergency fund, fast. Sell stuff, cut spending, hustle. Step 3. Pay down high-interest debt with the avalanche method, attack the highest rates first. Step 4. Start investing, even a little. Get your employer match, open a Roth IRA, automate contributions. Step 5. Learn one new money skill every month, read, watch, or listen. These steps build momentum and confidence. It's not about perfection but progress. Consistency beats intensity. Your financial transformation starts with these simple moves. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Every step you take is a vote for your future self. The journey is long, but these habits will change your life. You have the roadmap, now it's time for action. Let's get started. That's it. The biggest reasons people stay broke in their 30s, and the exact plan to break free. It's not about luck or a huge salary, it's about habits, mindset, and action. The power is in your hands, starting with small decisions today. Every dollar saved, every debt paid, every investment made is a step toward freedom. You have the knowledge and the roadmap. Now, take action. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share your first step in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.